Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and let's make this beautiful card. I've used an A4 size cardstock. You can use any A4 size paper. White paper works best for card, and for using as a base I'm using Fevicryl color in neon. Neon is it comes in a set and it works perfectly. I've used both the neon colors in the set that comes from Fevicryl. I've used a sponge because I just want a light layer. You can also use brush, and I've used the stencil that I've bought from Amazon. They are very easily available and you can buy any kind of stencil from Amazon, and I've used painter's tape to stick it to place. Make sure that you're sticking it to the place. And I've used another neon color which is neon pink, and using a small sponge brush I am painting all the spaces in the stencil. Make sure that you're using light strokes because it is a very small stencil and you can easily mix colors, or colors can easily go out of the lines and it will not look good, so be patient with that. And I will have, as you can see, I have colored my whole paper with this beautiful stencil and the color contrast looks absolutely good. And this is an extra step, but if you like, I've used this metallic wax. You can add that. I have placed the stencil exactly as I did before the paint. I did not use it before because the paint was wet and it would not look good, so this gives a little bit an extra touch, little bit extra gold touch, but you can absolutely skip it. And you can add different touches, you can add different paint according to your liking. I also wanted to accentuate a little bit, so I added this small mirrors. And using a Fevicol. You can use anything else. You can use stones, you can use small pearls, anything that you want. So I don't want to extra do it because the pattern looks absolutely amazing, and you can use this greeting card for any occasion. You can use that for birthdays, anniversary, Diwali. It's a multi-purpose greeting card. So guys, if you like it, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Take care. Bye.